Hi, I am Anwar, professionally digital marketer. In particular, I am an expert on Facebook ads campaign. I can do Facebook ads campaign professionally. I can set up and manage everything needed to run a Facebook ads campaign. You will be get a lot of benefits through Facebook ads campaign. Very well the hidden tips and tricks on how to promote your product, business and brand through Facebook ads campaigns. You can benefit from running your Facebook ads through these mediums such as engagement ads campaign, awareness ads campaigns, traffic ads campaigns, conversion ads campaigns, leads ads campaign. I am offering Facebook ads service, working as an advertising service since 2021. Already completed a lot of jobs of mine. I can guarantee sales from my advertising campaign. I will do it for you. Create Create and set up ads campaigns, ads management, and optimize your targeted audience by demographics, interest, and behaviors, customs, audience setup. Retargeting audience, pixel setups, creatives, and design. If you work with me, you will be benefit. You will develop your business according to your niche, and you will benefit. Thank you.